Now I'll show you how to get started with scheduling your Facebook post on the Facebook page, because you would want to schedule your weekly post. So it is very easy on Facebook. So start by creating your post. So add an image, add a caption. So I added product image, added caption, and here you will be able to access your publishing tool. So simply click it, and on the left hand side click on scheduled posts and create post. So the first time you have to access it this way. Usually I added the caption, I added image, and now let us schedule post. So simply click a date. Let's say I want to schedule it tomorrow, so 6th of May at what time? Let's say 10:48 UTC time. Simply schedule. Now you can see this post under your scheduled posts, and you can see when it is going to be scheduled and whether it's available to public.